Hi, today I'm going to show you on how to do mail merge in Gmail using Yamm. And all you need is a Gmail account, a Google Sheet with your data, and a Google Doc to prepare your draft. Of course, you won't be using the Google Doc. It doesn't work like how you use mail merge using Microsoft Word. And all you need to do is to prepare a draft, and then you have to copy it into create a new message, copy your draft and save it so that it appears in your draft. Okay, because Yamm will automatically detect the message that you have prepared on your draft. And to make it easy, it will be good to star your message. Okay, so of course, once you have prepared your data, you can always start doing it. And of course, you will need your email addresses as well. Now, the first thing to make sure is to make sure that you have the Yamm add-on. In this case, I have installed it earlier, but if you don't have it, you can always go to add-on and click on get add-ons. Okay, now so let's try this. So I'm going to send the email for the first time now. So I click on extension, I mouse over to Yamm, and I click on start mail merge. Let's wait for it to start loading. Okay, now you can always enter your name under sender name. So I'm going to type in Aznan Nagor. And as for email template, this is where you can select the draft that you have prepared in your Gmail. In this case, I have start. If you have a lot of draft, which is why it is good for you to start. So this is the message that I'm going to select. Okay, and then of course you can always change your which column for you to use for the email that you're going to send. So in this case is column B. I have selected it earlier, and you can try to send one message before confirming it. So let's send. In this case, I have already sent a test message, so I'm going to just send these two email messages, okay, using this mail merge, using Yamm as the tool. So in this case, it's going to choose column B, the personal email column, and it's going to send an email to staff 1 and staff 2. In this case, I have got staff 1 here, and there's no email, as you can see, and I've got staff 2, and there's no email, as you can see. So let's go back to my email. So I'm going to send 2 emails. Okay, here's the progress bar, as you can see. The email have been sent. Okay, so I'm going to close it, and you'll notice that the merge status, it has already updated the E column, which we have merge status with email sent. So let's go to the email to check whether we have received. Yes, we have received the email. So click on the email. This is a standard message. I'll just say look safe. Now, so it's automatically, it has picked up the variable that I have defined in that draft. So it's picked up, it says staff 1 here, and the email address is staff 1. Let's go back to see. So it has picked up staff 1 name and the email address, staff 1. Okay, so let's go back to the draft and see, do I have it there? Yes, it has automatically picked up the variable from here. Okay, the one that we have selected here. So I used this Google Doc to prepare the draft so that it's easier. Okay, let's go back to the other email, staff 2. Okay, as you can see, this is staff 2, and yes, I'm going to click look safe. It has automatically picked up the data from the sheet. Okay, Aznan Nagor and Aznan Nagor. Okay, so what if we want to send the email again? So I'm going to click, we can just simply click on extension again, click on yet another email, the Yamm add-on, and click start mail merge. Okay, Let's wait for it to finish loading. Now this is you're getting this message that reads there are no emails to send because it is detecting that you have already sent this email. So all you have to do is to click on start new campaign and it will automatically remove that status. And you can always select the recipient column like I mentioned earlier. It's gonna allow you to choose whichever column that you want to use for the email, and in this case I'm going to just select personal email and I'm going to click save, and that will automatically make column B as the recipient column. Okay, and you can always send this again. So that's how you do it. Okay, again, just to recap, you need an email account, you need a data file, and you need a draft document so that it's easy for you to make a copy and create a draft like this. And remember to always star your draft. Okay, thank you.